In this video, I will tell you how to copy a trade in NovaBot. For that, the process is very simple. First thing first, you have to attach your NovaBot with the Telegram. So just go ahead and search the NovaBot, and I will also provide the NovaBot link in the description below so you guys can check it out. So once you're on the main page, just simply go ahead and click on Start Board button and go and open up your Telegram desktop application. So once you're in it, you will see that you will start it and you will be given a Solana wallet address, and you have to fund your Solana wallet in order to copy a trade and make a trade. So once you have funded your Solana wallet, all you have to do is to copy trade option right over here. Just go ahead and click on that, and there will be a bunch of options in the available copy trading section. So go ahead and select all the option that you want to select, and then simply click on start. So here you will see that you will see all the bunch of trades that are available that you guys can copy. And if you want to copy that trade, simply go ahead and click on that. But before that, you have to fund your Solana wallet in order to do it. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful.